Dialogue series. I am Pragya Mishra and I am the AVP of Customer Success and Operations at Courseplay. Courseplay is a 360-degree employee growth platform. On today's episode of the Industry Dialogue series, we will be discussing the topic of building a future-ready healthcare workforce and how talent and performance management strategies for success can be discussed. And this topic introduces the critical need for healthcare organizations to develop and retain a highly skilled workforce that is capable of navigating the complex challenges and rapid advancements of modern healthcare. To discuss this topic further, we have Mayur Chaturvedi for his insights. With over 25 years of experience in HR leadership roles at global companies like Zimmer Biomet, Philips, and PepsiCo, Mayur has a proven track record in developing and executing effective talent and reward strategies across the Asia-Pacific region. Mayur is currently the Regional Director of Total Rewards for Asia-Pacific and HR Leader of South Asia and Southeast Asia. Welcome, Mayur. I'm super excited to have this conversation with you.
Thank you very much, Pragya. It is indeed a pleasure to be here. So I truly believe that first step for this one, and I come to the programs there, the first step is that the organization, the leadership, the management, whatever you want to call them, should have the intent to invest. If the intent is not there, all these programs will not work. And the intent starts with saying that, you mentioned about the bias, and that is where it should start. We should not have a bias, right? Our employee is productive, irrespective of the age. When employees come to office, I personally believe in this statement that I'm going to say now, that when employees come to the office every day, they come to give 100%. Everyone. No one comes thinking, oh, I will slack off today, I will not do this, I will, spend time. No one does that. So we should also not think from a point of view that, okay, the intent is not there just because the person is 55, 60, whatever is that age. And we have seen that happening, right? In Asia Pacific region, the region that I take care of, we have countries where there is no retirement age. And you are part of the workforce till you want to be. It's completely there. Yes, there are countries which have stringent retirement age, but I think that's more because of the population and they want to bring, ensure the productivity and the employability is always there. So we have everything there. And I truly believe if this is the intent, we will do. The programs, again, as I was mentioning earlier, the majority of the markets define the programs that you need to improve. India, for us, is a market where the technology adoption is amazing. And I'm just not talking about just general healthcare. Everything is amazing. So if you ask a team member who is, say, in his or her 50s or late or whatever, early 60s, late, that there is a new technology and you need to learn, I truly believe that the individual will be more than happy to adopt that one. Because it provides him or her an ability to work longer, be more meaningfully engaged. And healthcare, I personally feel, is driven by purpose. It is my purpose to take care of a patient. It is my purpose to make life easier for a patient. So people who are working in healthcare, I truly believe they have that purpose. And why not give them an opportunity to be more meaningfully engaged with their purpose for a longer period rather than just blocking them out and saying, okay, you have reached a certain age, cannot do it. In ZB, we have, again, multiple things. So again, the reference I'm giving is Asia Pacific. We have team members who are very senior from an age point of view. And we have launched, so recently, a few years back, we launched a new LMS. It was a very new LMS, and we initially felt, oh, who will go on the online, who will read all of this, it's just too much. But surprise, it is used, and it is used to an extent that it is being revised and reviewed, and new contents being uploaded on a regular basis.
Wow.
They use this content not only to train themselves, but also to have a meaningful discussion with the HCP, with a doctor. When doctor asks you about something, they can provide that answer. Okay, this implant will help you this way. This is what our clinical papers show. all that information is available. People are ready to adopt. When we have launched our robotics in Asia Pacific, the same discussion came up. Will people understand this? Is it a new technology for us? But here we are again. And we have been, it's 4+ years that we have our robotics in this region. And it is extremely doing well. People have adopted it. They now understand that that's our future and we need to adopt it. So that's what I can give. But again, the intent is there. Yeah. And if the intent is not there, we'll always find a reason. Oh, this person is not really ready. This person is having a mind block. Again, it goes back to that discussion. But if the intent is there as an organization, I think we all should be ready and should be putting our efforts to make this switch for everyone.
Yeah, I really love the line that you said, healthcare is driven by purpose. And that in itself says so much about the intent and the willingness to adapt. So yeah, that was wonderfully put.